Hi, and welcome to Levon's Kitchen. Today we're in the kitchen cooking something delicious, so sit back, relax, and I'll be back. And in the meantime, you know what I need you to do. That's right, hit that subscribe button. So today we are making some brown sugar, cinnamon, and bourbon grilled pineapple sticks. So we're going to start off with some brown sugar and cinnamon. And you can use either bourbon or rum. But you got to get you a fresh pineapple, slice it into some sticks or however you want to slice yours. Now, you pour your bourbon into your pan, and then we're going to put the pineapples in there and make sure you get them good and soaked in that rum or bourbon. Make sure. Now, let's add our pineapple that was mixed up with the cinnamon, and it's time to grill them. Put them on the grill and let them sit there for a minute. And look at that. Put a little bit of that extra bourbon on there. Put them back in that pan with it.